So you need to stop wondering whether or not Bitcoin is going up or down, because today we are going to focus on a different cryptocurrency that has a lot more upside potential. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get paid all the way up to $200 per hour using a new strategy that I have just discovered. The method that we are going to cover today doesn't require you to make any investments, and you can get started as a complete beginner. It doesn't matter where you live because this method is available worldwide. And as long as you have an internet connection, a strong desire to start making money online, and monetize your time online, well, in that case, you are perfectly qualified for the job. Additionally, we are going to start earning a certain cryptocurrency that we have never talked about before in this channel that I believe has a huge potential to go even higher in the near future. And that way, you can potentially make some extra profits. And do not worry guys, because this will be a step-by-step tutorial. I am going to walk you through the entire process one step at a time. What's up guys? Welcome back to your favorite money-making channel. The channel where we teach you how to hack your way to generating easy money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also, smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let me show you the hack to making money. Now guys, if you have been following my videos for quite some time, you should know that I am always trying to provide you with new ways of generating cryptocurrency. And we have been talking about Bitcoin on this channel for some time now. I believe this still has a huge potential to go even higher, but we are not going to talk about Bitcoin or Ethereum today. Instead, we are going to focus on a less popular cryptocurrency that still has a lot of potential, and that is BCH, which stands for Bitcoin Cash. Now, if you want to do more research about this particular cryptocurrency, you can connect to Investopedia.com and read more about it. I will not be talking about and explaining it in depth here because the values of this currency are always fluctuating. But the main takeaway here is the fact that a team of Bitcoin miners decided that they want to create their own cryptocurrency, which would be much safer than Bitcoin. And that way, using a very similar technology, they created Bitcoin Cash. And there is a reason why it used to be way higher when it first appeared. But we do not really care about that right now. We are going to generate cryptocurrency for absolutely free today, and here to do that, you don't need to involve yourself in the learning process or know anything about trading or cryptocurrencies in general, because we are going to involve ourselves in an automated process. We are going to earn passive income and set up a passive stream of income. And in order to do that in the first place, I need you guys to go to what is called goldenprice.in. And this is basically a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency faucet. That literally means that you can connect to the website every once in a while and redeem your earnings. You don't need to do any mining, you don't need to keep this tab on, and you don't need to complete any surveys or micro tasks. And guys, do not worry, because the minimum amount is only 0.002 Bitcoin Cash. So let us actually see how much that is, and that is very close to $1. So as soon as you reach the minimum threshold of $1, you should be able to redeem your earnings and get them sent straight into your Bitcoin Cash wallet. You also do not have to wait until the end of the month here to receive your earnings, because these guys have got payouts every 48 hours. And in case you want to learn more about Bitcoin Cash, you can simply watch this tutorial video right here, and they are going to explain everything that you want to know. And at this point, once you have got access to the website, all that is there for you to do is create an account. And you can do that for free by entering in an email address here, a password, and that is it. Now you also need to make sure to enter in a valid email address that you know the password to, because they are going to send you an activation link. And unless you click on that, you won't be able to log into your account. But if you do everything correctly, here is how your dashboard is going to look like. And here is the faucet that I was talking about. You can basically claim free Satoshi every 30 minutes, and in order to do that, you first need to complete this capture right here and click on the claim button. This is the amount you have earned, and every 30 minutes, you can repeat that process and you can do that over and over again. An additional feature that you may want to take advantage of is the referral program, because these guys are going to give you all the way up to 50% whenever you refer someone to the platform. And they start earning money, and that is quite something. That is a generous commission, and you definitely want to take advantage of it if you really want to maximize your profits and not leave any money on the table. If you guys are enjoying this video, take a quick pause and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money hacking videos for you guys. Now let us get back to the video. Moving on to the second option on the list, this one is called Dodgemate.com, and it is also a cryptocurrency faucet that you can connect to absolutely free. Now, the main advantage of this website over its competitors is the fact that they support a lot of different cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the second option is Bitcoin Cash, and it is also the second best option after Bitcoin. Now, of course, you can also generate Ethereum or Dogecoin, Litecoin, and many others. But we are going to focus on Bitcoin Cash today. Something to keep in mind here is the fact that they do not accept all wallets, and instead, they only have 3 options that include the Faucet Pay, Express Crypto, and Coinbase. As I mentioned before, this is available worldwide, and you need to make sure that you are not using a VPN in order to modify the country of your IP address. At this point, all that is left for you to do is enter in a username right here, an email address, and you need to make sure this is a valid one. Enter in your password, and that is it. And just like before, you will have to check your inbox because they will also send you an activation link you have to click on. At this point, you should notice that the website is a little bit different because you can't earn points in multiple ways. You can also take advantage of the short walls, the PTC ads, and the mining feature. Now, if you go over to the PTC ads section, you should be able to see that you can also monetize your time in an active manner on this website. And you can simply view some ads, and that way, you are going to get a certain amount of money. It is not too great, but in the long run, you might be able to generate some decent amounts. You are basically trading your time for money here. So the more spare time that you have in your hand, the more money you are going to get. The short walls also work in a very similar manner, and you can simply visit some links or some websites, and that way, you are going to generate money. But make sure that your antivirus is turned on because you do not really know what kind of websites these are. The referral program is also quite generous. It doesn't give you 50% like the other one did, it only gives you 25%. But even though, I have some friends that are interested in making money online, and you might want to refer them, and that way, you can generate some extra cryptocurrency. Once you are satisfied with the amount that we have generated, you can go over to the withdraw section and enter in your Bitcoin Cash wallet. And last, but definitely not the least, we have also got Autofaucet.org. This is one of the bigger ones, and a lot of people are using the internet to monetize their time and enjoy some cryptocurrency. And as you can see, you can monetize your time online in an active fashion and also in a passive way. You can take advantage of their mining feature, and at the same time, you can complete their microtasks in order to get some extra cash. And you have also got plenty of options to choose from because they provide you with 26 different types of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. To be more precise, here is a list of all the cryptocurrencies that you can generate on this website. And as you can see, Bitcoin Cash is one of them. But if you are interested in some new upcoming cryptocurrencies, you can also go for Cardano or something like that. But we are going to focus on Bitcoin Cash just like with this so far. And the feature that I absolutely love about this website is the fact that they have instant withdrawals. And you don't have to wait for 48 hours or 1 week or for 1 month. You can instantly withdraw your money and get them sent straight into your Bitcoin Cash wallet. They've also got premium support if you encounter any sort of problems with your withdrawals or generally with earning money on the platform. You can contact their support and a live agent will reply, and as you can see here, by visiting some links and ads, you are going to get some extra cash. But you can also use your mining process, and that is both a CPU and a GPU miner. If you do everything correctly, you will get redirected to your dashboard, and if you go over to the faucet section and you click on auto claim, you can select the cryptocurrency that you are interested in. So let us look for BCH, and here we have 3 different options: Credit, Express Crypto, and Faucet Pay. Let us pick one of them. Choose the frequency to 2 minutes. For payment bonus, we don't have any, and let us click on the claim button. And you can do the same thing with the manual claim, and that will allow you to earn some amount of the currency every once in a while. Apart from that, you can also earn money actively by clicking on the short links, visiting the offer wall, or also redeeming your daily bonus. And once you are satisfied with the amount they have generated, go over to the withdraw, enter in your email address, and you are set, guys. Whichever option you choose, the most important thing is that you take action. And that's it. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. And I'll see you next time.